The following are the best performing candidates in sub-counties per region. The first one, Anthony Juguna Muhoro. Anthony Juguna Muhoro is from Kiamaina Secondary School and has a score of 84.634. The second one, Owino Eric from Akoko Secondary School in Nyanza. The score is 83.71. The third one is Karuiza Clinton from Angaine Mixed Day Secondary School in Eastern. The score is 81.449. The next one is Achesa Alukoti Dilaire from Matunda Secondary School, Matunda Day Secondary School, with 81.237. The other one, the following one is Diangui Frank Wagura from St. James Kiarithia Secondary School in Central with 79.4. Following one is Mulei Kelvin from Dandora Secondary School, Dandora. And the Dandora one, 79.213. Mkirimia Dennis Mwamburi, that's the last one, from the coast with 78.246. There is one here, and I will just apologize in public. The name is Ronald Kipkoech from Kiblabotwa Secondary School. Is that in Rift Valley? Kiblabotwa Secondary School, 74.9.